Eating healthy on a budget. Do you feel that the price of healthy food is just too high for your budget? Here are a few tips to help you purchase healthy food well within your budget. Shop alone. You might have noticed that if you go shopping for food with your children and, sometimes, your spouse, you end up buying a lot of junk food. Shop alone to prevent this. In addition, make sure that you are the only one in the family to purchase food. Avoid soft drinks. Instead of purchasing soft drinks, purchase milk. You can enjoy your favorite fizzy drinks on special occasions and, even then, buy the smallest package available to save money and prevent weight gain. Adults and children alike require milk and other dairy products daily. Dairy products give you the calcium that you need to get strong teeth and bones. Buy fruits in their season. During their respective seasons, purchase fruits in large quantity and freeze whatever is left over. Wash the fruit, discard any spoilt pieces, dry the fruit, and freeze it in huge plastic zipper bags. You can use the frozen extras when the season has come to an end. Purchase plenty of beans and meat. Eating plenty of beans and meat is absolutely necessary for the protein they contain. Lean meat is expensive while fatty meats are inexpensive. You can purchase canned beans to get a lot of protein at low cost. Beans can also serve as a substitute for meat. They come in a number of varieties and you can make a delicious bean dish in a crock pot so that it will be ready for consumption by the time you return home from work. According to the USDA, you should eat at least 4 servings of beans per week. If eating too many beans gives you gas problems, try this method: wash the beans, cover them with water, boil the water along with the beans, drain off the water, and then refill the pot. Include fish in your diet. If you reside in one of the coastal towns, you could make fish a major part of your diet. Catch fish in rivers or lakes. This will ensure that you get plenty of fish free of charge and also have some fun. Use peanut butter. Using peanut butter does not strain your budget in the least. Moreover, almost everybody loves peanut butter. Instead of wrecking your body with hot dogs, you could eat peanut butter sandwiches. You don't have to put peanut butter in the fridge, and the larger jars can last for weeks. Eat water-rich foods. Eating water-rich foods, such as salads, watermelon, as well as gelatin without sugar, is very beneficial to health. You cannot make mistakes about eating healthy food. You don't even have to spend extra on healthy food. You will discover that you don't have to spend a large amount of money on gaining that healthy, slim body you have always longed for. Eating healthy when eating out. If you are watching your weight, you have to be careful about your calorie intake, especially when you go to a restaurant. Here are tips on how to watch your calories when you are eating at a restaurant. Order sauces and dressings separately so that you can control the quantity that goes into your meals. Request that the grilled vegetables or fish that you have ordered be prepared with no oil or butter or very little of it. Ensure that you get a tomato-based sauce instead of a cream-based sauce whenever you order pastas. Tomato sauces don't contain as many calories as cream sauces do, and moreover, you could consider tomato sauce as a vegetable. Don't take alcoholic beverages or soda. Instead, order diet soda, water, or tea. Share your dessert with a friend. This way you can reduce the amount of calories you take by half. Take care that you don't order a cream-based soup, because the number of calories in such soups is higher. Soups are great appetizers and have low calorie counts. Moreover, they fill you up quickly. If you have ordered baked potato, request salsa instead of bacon, sour cream, cheese, or butter. Salsa has a low calorie count. Moreover, it is a healthy food with a wonderful spicy flavor. Don't continue eating even when you have had enough. Cultivate the habit of listening to your body. If you feel full in between your meal, pack up whatever remains. You can eat the rest of it when you feel hungry later. In this way, you can enjoy 2 meals at the price of a single meal. If you wish to eat less, order a salad and an appetizer or a couple of appetizers as your meal. Instead of ordering French fries as a side dish, order a baked potato or steamed vegetables. Order only those foods that are baked, poached, broiled, or steamed. These methods of cooking do not use a lot of oil and, therefore, have low calorie counts. Plain rolls or bread are low in both calories and fat content. You add both calories and fat to it when you smear it with butter or oil. Order dishes that are rich in vegetables and fruits because they are good sources of fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Order whole grain meals, such as brown rice or whole wheat bread. If you must have a dessert, order something that comprises less fat, such as fruit or berries. While you count calories, don't punish yourself by not taking the food that you really love. A balanced diet does not exclude any type of food. Secrets to rapid weight loss. Weight gain impacts people in a number of ways. Apart from wrecking a person's looks, excess weight can lower his or her quality of life and self-esteem, which, in turn, leads to problems such as coronary disorders, diabetes, depression, and so on. A number of positive changes can be observed in a person who has lost weight. No wonder, then, that several people are seeking methods to lose weight quickly and achieve a slim body that can turn heads. If you are overweight, the first thing you should do is visit your family doctor and determine the best weight loss program for you. Your doctor will draw up a very good plan for you after making a thorough physical examination. To lose weight quickly, you have to take 4 factors into consideration, namely, the food you eat, the way you eat it, your behavior, and the level of your physical activity. Here are some tips that will transform the life of an overweight individual. Usually, a weight loss program includes state of mind, physical activity, diet, and, in some cases, supplements. Adopt a diet that you are comfortable with. Perform exercises on a regular basis. If you hate exercises, try at least a few minutes of walking, running, jogging, swimming, dancing, or any such activity. Be realistic. Sticking to a diet plan requires a lot of willpower and perseverance. Don't lose motivation and give up. An overweight person who has adopted a diet and exercise regime will never be disappointed provided he or she exercises enough self-discipline and sticks to the plan. Learn to understand the language of your body. Every body has a different rate of metabolism, which shows a variety of responses to changes in diet and lifestyle. Change your exercise and diet program in tune with your body's response to it. Your exercise plan should suit the needs of your body. For example, not everybody can do heavy exercises. If you can't bear any other exercise except walking, then walking is the best exercise for you. Aim at developing a few muscles, it will make you look great too. Eat a fiber-rich diet. It prevents you from feeling hungry often, and it stays in the stomach for a longer time, thereby lowering the rate at which the body digests food. Take 1 serving of whole grain bread daily. Whole grains convert themselves into blood sugar, which boosts the insulin level in the body. The body becomes energetic and begins to either burn fat or store it. Avoid fried foods. Deep fried foods especially comprise a lot of fat. Fish and chicken comprise more fat than fried beef. Those who are on strict diet can go in for grilled food because this type of food does not have that much of fat after it is cooked. Drink lots of juices and water. At least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day is a must. Water keeps the body hydrated and fresh. It also eliminates wastes faster, and keeps the body at a normal weight. To lose weight rapidly, you need a lot of perseverance, willpower, and self-discipline. You will lose a lot of weight if you stick to a comfortable low-calorie diet and exercise place, in addition to certain supplements. Don't rush into any heavy diet and exercise plan that will make you give up almost before you have begun. If you do this, you could end up gaining more weight than what you were before you began the program. Finding the beauty within while dieting. Our culture is characterized with an excessive concern for external appearances. No one enjoys the process of dieting, yet everybody waits eagerly for the results: a perfect, slim, and beautiful body. The focus on dieting, exercise, and perfection of external appearances is so great that most people do not realize that there is something called inner beauty. Dieting should be done more for health than for external beauty. You do not need to fit into the popularly accepted idea of what is beautiful. If everybody looks like the models in the fashion world do, we would be bored stiff with life. Secret to successful dieting. You can achieve great success with dieting only if you focus on accepting yourself as you are. This in no way means that you should stop perfecting yourself and working for better health. It simply indicates a shift of focus from merely attempting to create a person who would fit into somebody else's ideal to accepting yourself as who you are. Many people diet in order to be somebody else, a person you once were or another person whose looks you admire. Until you accept yourself as who you are, you will not be able to be happy at any weight. Sometimes, accepting oneself can be very difficult, but worth it. Importance of self-acceptance. The major reason for weight gain is emotional eating, in which people eat to fill an emptiness within themselves. People eat to fill the void caused by depression, uncertainty, loneliness, and many more factors. Depressed people find it very difficult to lose weight. Such people can find contentment only in self-acceptance. Once people are free from depression and self-condemnation, they find that they have rapidly lost weight. Stop framing definitions of yourself on the basis of what you weigh. When you have reached a point in your life where you can accept yourself as you are and you feel that your diet and exercise regime is within your control, talk to your doctor and find out what he or she says. The nation does not require women sized 5. On the contrary, it requires women of confidence who are not afraid of who and what they are irrespective of their external appearances. To achieve success with dieting, therefore, you have to find the beauty within yourself. In the process of dieting and exercising, perform a simple mental exercise. Get to know yourself better and introduce yourself to the person you aspire to be. The two will soon merge into one personality, an image that is perfectly acceptable to you irrespective of the ideas bombarded onto your brain by advertisers of cosmetic products.